So typically I don't do reviews. However, this place I'm going to review so I can make sure that they're getting the publicity that they should be getting. And well, hopefully every time I call, they'll have my spot ready for me. So here it goes. Camp Cardinal, Gloucester County, Virginia. The sites have like built-in buddy sites back here because technically if you're in the middle, you can be back to back, where everybody's back to back or front to front. Nobody's staring at the back of anybody's stuff. So yeah, I like that a lot. Here's one challenge I'll caution you about. Not the easiest to work with, but water will push its way up. You're not going to back up if you leave your valve open, which I don't suggest, but you know, people do it. It'll drain. You know, it's not the worst thing in the world. I had to go to my backup pressure reducer, but as you see, the water here, pressure's low. They probably are on well water. So I've had to kick the water pump in to get pressure up in the coach, but you should have water in your reserve anyway in case of a power outage. So the electricity is solid, as you see, no codes or anything like that. They do have plenty of 30 amp, 50 amp, and then looks like 20 amp stuff, so you're good here for that. So I'm bored, and I just happened to walk by this. This is where this coach has been since October. So we got it in October. And that kind of gives you the thing. We got it down here in Florida, right about here. And then we meandered our way up. And then I took a trip here, which ended up coming that way. And now I'm back here, so. Well, Camp Cardinal, thanks so much for a hospitable weekend. Until next time.